Good evening, all. My roll number is 24KD 18057. Today, I will tell my perspective and my point of view about the grammar video which was partially played in our lab. So, in this video, we have learned a lot about the tenses and the tense structures, and the instructor or facilitator give a bunch of examples on the following, and it gives how the tenses are segregated based on the past, present, and simple tenses. And it gives there are totally, and the tenses are mainly consist of four types: simple tense, and perfect tense, continuous tense, and perfect continuous tense. And the past, present, and the future tense are segregated in these four tense, and the total tenses are subdivided into total topics. So this is my point of view about the video. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Chandni. My roll number is 24KD 1805T4. So today in the lab, we have gone with the quizzes, and also at the starting, we have started with the email writing. Like we have gone through with email writing. Like what are the necessary things that we have to mention in email writing? That is some basic things like recipient address, from address, to whom we are writing the email, and subject is the very important thing, like which grabs the attention of the one who is writing the email, and also conclusion and designation of the letter is also important. And there are some parts like CC and BCC, and also we have gone through with the propositions and articles, like for competitive exams, from which grammar part it is necessary to learn. So we have gone with propositions and articles, subject verb agreements, and errors in the sentences. And also we have gone through with the tenses, parts of speech. So in the tenses we have uh, come to know about the basic tenses like past, present, and future. For example, in past, I was absent yesterday. For present, I am absent today. For future, I will be absent tomorrow. So we have learned some basic tenses. So this is all about today. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Hindupriya from CSE-B. Today I'm here to talk about the importance of vocabulary and grammar. I think for making a sentence, vocabulary and grammar plays a very important role because the combination of vocabulary and grammar makes a perfect sentence. Like if you make mistakes on any one of them, like if you make mistakes on vocabulary or if you make mistakes in grammar, we get a blunder in our sentence. So to make our sentence perfect, we need to learn about what vocabulary and grammar is. Suppose if we take about the grammar, we have mainly we have about four types, like uh, prepositions, and all. Like if we take vocabulary, there we have mainly four types, like four major types, like noun, verb, adverb, and adjective. And also in grammar, if we take we have many aspects, like for building a sentence. So it is very important to know what the grammar and vocabulary is to make a perfect sentence, and that we can use in our daily life, like for making our life easy, like for communicating in English, we can use vocabulary and grammar. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Behra Saivamsi, bearing of registration number 24KD 10524. Today I am going to give my own perception on the tenses. I feel that the tenses are the time traveler in the grammar, because while using the tenses, we can move freely from from the past to the present, or from the present to the future, without any physical movement. And yes, by using the tenses, I can feel like when I'm using the present tense, I can feel like that I'm sharing my immediate ideas and immediate thoughts to the persons. And while using the past tenses, I'm going to share my stories or the experiences which I had. And while using the future, I felt like that I'm going to share the dreams, or might be the some other ideas that going to be existed, or to be have to be done. So by saying that, by my own in my own perception, I would like to say that by mastering the tenses, we can make the communication clear and very good. And by continuously using the tenses in every in perfectly, we can make the communication very smooth, and we can give a clear view of our speech. Yeah, and thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am B. Geetika Mahalakshmi from CSE-A of roll number 24KD1A0518. So here I am. I saw a video as a part of listening to speak activity. I saw a vocabulary video in which it tells the importance about the vocabulary, and vocabulary is the main part. And for the formation to know the very good grammar, we have to follow good things like we have to well know about articles, prepositions, and subject verb agreement, and we have to learn as much as tenses. Even you know the tenses, but you have to know where you have to apply. You have to be aware of the tense. You have and If you got to know a tense, you have to use it in a real time example to make sure to improve your grammar. Thank you.
So, good afternoon, everyone. This is M. Sai Harshita. So, today I have learned about many things like tenses and grammar and vocabulary. So, mainly there are 12 tenses in English. There are simple present, simple past, simple future, present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. Present, present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. So, there are many examples like I went to college. This resembles the simple past tense. And I go to the market. This is simple present tense. I will go to the market. This is simple future tense. So I'm studying in CSE department. So this is present perfect, present continuous tense. I was going to do this work. I was going to do a project on ChatGPT. So this is past continuous. And I will be going to I will be going to do my homework at night. So this is future continuous. So may so these are the things I have learned today.
No, no, don't mute. Leave it. Leave it. Next student will come.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sovni from CSE, and my registration number is 24KD1A0520. And I am here to do the listen and speak activity. In this, we have learned how efficiently we have to increase our grammar and vocabulary skills. In this, mainly we should focus on up to the video I saw is that we should mainly focus. First of all, the first step we have to take is by learning about the sentence composition. how we have to use, and in this there is sentence is divided into different parts. Each part of the sentence will play a different role, so this is called as parts of speech. And next we have to learn about the sentence, the tenses. So in there is totally 12 tenses in the English. They are simple past, simple present, simple future, and future continuous, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Future and next three are present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and also future perfect continuous tense. In this, the the major thing we have to use is the formation of the sentences. This will take in the simple present tense or simple past tense or simple future tense. The structure was subject, verb, and object. But in present continuous tense or past continuous tense or future continuous tense, we have to use subject, helping verb, and next verb plus inform plus next object. In the perfect tenses, we will use subject, have or has, based on the subject, and next verb, and then object. Later, for perfect continuous tense, we use subject, has or have been, and next verb plus inform plus object. And this will give a clear information about the incident we are using. For example, if I take a sentence like I am writing an essay today, then it gives a I am writing the essay now itself. So it is a future continuous tense. If I say I wrote an essay yesterday, means it was specifically saying that it was done in the past tense. So this is what I understood. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhanuteza. I am from CSE-F section and my registration number is 24KD1805Z7. I have learned in this video that is grammar and vocabulary. In grammar, we have to learn set of rules. That means tenses, present tense, past tense and future tense. And in that parts of speech we have also learned. That is noun, pronoun, adverb,
Your time is
adjective. And we have also learned vocabulary also.
You didn't try this up.